Know what it is, Nancy.
Okay, don't touch. There's a bio, there's a flower. There's the bio. Hey son, go bring daddy phone. He's in mommy's room. Go bring daddy. No more charge. There's it.
What's up, Gibson? Yeah, that one should be. That's the way that one should be.
Agent correction with pharmaceuticals.
What up, my friend?
You alright, brother, this one?
Yeah, I just woke up. Over and over.
Comment in die backbeat.
I see the top layer like you get from the top of the window. That shit. I know what you get over there. That's why I always tell you to sit right here. That
Yo. What's
ain't
up?
nobody clocking in at work and leaving, are they? Or not working, is they?
What? What'd you say?
Once you turn that music down, you can hear me.
Alright, say it again.
I said, you ain't got none of you or your little friends that's clocking in at work and not working or leaving on Friday, are you?
What are you talking about, like getting work and clocked in?
I said, dude,
all
man.
that, bro.
Yeah, I
You know
said,
what I
dude,
mean?
Are you talking
my
about
uncle
getting
played
work
my
and
uncle
clocked
played ranked
in?
on that shit with
Yo, Dom, you gotta stop Garen, bro.
Stop what?
Stop Karen, man. She's the one who's doing what you talking about.
Who?
Karen, go at 6 and clocked in and never even do shit till 7, 10.
I'm saying they noticed that yesterday. And they
Second shift keep reporting to the regular employees, bro. And I tell Setup, I walk up to Saber, Gus. This is what Saber said. Bro, this is what Saber told me, bro. He said, yo, bro, what are you doing, bro? You gotta go. Yo, there's a lot of stuff to rap, bro. I said, bro, I've been rapping the whole motherfucking night, bro. And I'm still rapping. And you better go and tell something to Gary, motherfucker. Are you scared or something, bro? What the fuck wrong with you, bro? That's what the fuck I said to him. I said, what the hell wrong with you, man? You cannot say shit to Karen, bro. What the fuck going on, bro? Like I don't know what the fuck. Cause it seems like you and Mike cannot tell her shit, and she's pissed all over you guys.
Her shit went for shit ever since I left. That's what they saying.
I mean, we're still doing our thing, but the management team is kind of like too soft and too cocky at the same time.
Yeah, they said when I left, it just went to shit. I better get my shit together.
No, management team better get their shit. Our daily pig is good. What you talking about, bro? The daily fucking thing.
Big ass kilo.
The management just tripping, bro. I don't know what the fuck.
Helicopter, army, helicopter.
Do you know what the fuck fair means? Fair is fair and clear, bro. Ain't no time curly where. I don't know what the fuck. It's alright for me. All I need is my big check. That's all it is.
Alright.
Hey, one on top of you, Dom. Clear top. Oh shit.
I can't do nothing right now.
Oh, this mother suka.
There's no way.
Yes, way.
Bro, they should make it realistic. You're not sliding 10 feet in real life. Ain't nobody taking off sliding. Like that.
Hey,
You know what I mean?
hey, bro, chill, bro. Ain't no damn CEO or whatever. Bro, get the fuck out of here, turtle ranger ass motherfucker. Motherfucker, you say it's too easy.
Probably about to let my daughter play for a second.
How you do that?
Just don't be cussing, Gibson. I mean, you can cuss, just don't be.
My bad.
I mean, just know she's a teenage girl.
I got you. Hey, you gotta let me know though. You can just give it
Just
to
do
her
it
and
and let you
laugh,
know.
bro. No, when you laugh, I'm talking about. Like, alright, I'm going somewhere, bro. I know I cannot kill somebody, that's why I wanna live the game. But it's alright.
I seen Gibson. I seen Gibson. He's chasing you, Gibson. He's on you, Gibson.
Oh my god,
Man,
ooh.
like, bro, this dude just slid past me, ran behind me. Like, I'm
Damn,
done with
I
it, bro.
run
Like, ain't
all
nobody
the
sliding
way.
like that.
Damn, I run
Like,
all
he's
the way
not,
and then
like,
die on a
ain't nobody
mine.
doing that in real life. Hey, I'm just pissed off, bro. Good, bro. Let's just at least make the sliding realistic.
Oh my god, I prayed. It's alright.
I'm about to die because this dude's on me. Oh. It sounds like a fucking Ninja Turtles, boy.
Yo, have you ever played Battle Royale? It's better to mix it up, man. Come on now. Know what I mean?
Battle Royale. You cool with that, Fox?
Nah, Fox not cool with it. It's alright. We play Rebirth. Man, they play our music. What the fuck?
Did you hear me, Fox?
BR?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with that. As long as it ain't multiplayer.
Alright. I'm giving my daughter a headset for a second. You about to play.
Isn't sleepy.
Sheba, what cats want?
Would you quit throwing them?
And let's get angry. Ganja. Now a little bit wakey. Doesn't matter where you are. I'm a little bit country and a little bit reggae. I'm listen to Marley while I sip on my whiskey. Keep my watermelon moonshine. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, no. I forget. It's not time. I'm sorry, guys. Let me mute myself. Let me mute myself.
Let me
mute myself. Ooh, that's a long flight now. Let's get it. Cause I'm a little bit young too. While I sip my whiskey, I want a man emotion and let me hurry.
Oh, yeah, otra cosa.
Loud and so Ricky carry on. Oh. All right, let's get it. All right, Fox, just you're the team captain, Fox. We listen to your command, we follow the command. Alright, YouTube, we're on VR right now. We're with Captain Fox. Captain Fox is still back there, we gotta stay with him. Oh, nice loadout time. Yeah, buy station right next to us is this one. Let me bring the Raker music. Do the Battle Royal, bro. Woohoo! Hey, Captain Fox, we need your money. Captain Fox, we need your money. Oh, wow. Fox! Oh, no, one of you. Yo, come get the money and buy a loadie. Right there. Sorry, the music is for distraction. You can mute me if you guys don't want it. You cannot hear shit when the music is on, you know? Come on, killer.
Hey, yeah, I'll be back on after I smoke, but she playing right now, man.
You good, bro. Take your time, bro. You're off.
Shut up, motherfucker.
What the hell? I'm telling you, man. Shit.
Hey, got me 3 times faster than that.
What?
My prisoner of love. Oh shit. Wait, Nady's calling me, Tom. Outside?
Don't miss Marvel Animation's X-Men 97.
Get this done by working together as a team.
Jeez, Bump, keep buzzing in my ear. New episodes. New era. Now on Disney Plus. To me, my X-Men. Don't miss the all-new X-Men 97, now streaming only on Disney Plus.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Good genes run in the family. Okay. When you get them at Kohl's, you're done at destination.
Wait a minute, stop what we're doing, because I got to tell you now what's on my mind. We've been at this for some time, and I just wanna know.
Wow, I'm still alive and I'm back. Woohoo!
Cause even though we had some easiness, the song is meaning to me. You see the butterflies.
Oh hell no, I don't know who the fuck is this. UAV pop. Alright, there are 2 teams, right? Sandwiching us. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that. Oh yeah. There's no coast? Yo, I didn't. Oh no, there it is. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Welcome to the stream. We're with Captain Fox. We're on Battle Royale. I know I'm gonna get reported on the music, but it's alright. Fuck it sometimes, you know. Don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Hey, there's a guy right in front, left side, northeast. One on the buy station, straight on the buy station. Oh shit, are they there? Hey, bro! Ah! No, I moved like a scary player. Let's try.
Ah, eu tenho que ter por aí e por ela hoje.
No, Fox left. Alright, it's okay. This is my last game with them. I go play Reaper. Wonder Oh! Hey, don't you cry, things gonna be alright. Yeah, I told you tonight. Hey, right now, I don't know why. I'm suicide. Yeah, promise gonna be right. Mockingbird, how you were. We don't I break that bird's neck. The fuck with that. Alright, who we gonna go with? Let's see. I wanna play multiplayer.
Let's say you own a comic book shop and you want to take over the world.
You'll stop at nothing to achieve global domination.
Sure. Although, you may want to work on your evil villain love.
What's going on?
Well, Apple Business Connect gives you the power to customize how you show up across apps.
I just go play
People use every day. And
randomly.
places your logo on
No friends.
emails and calls. Wait.
That's my teammate, bro. I ain't gonna go by myself, bro. Hell no.
Our logo. It's so pretty.
Great, you're catching on. With customer insights, you can see when and where potential customers are searching for your business.
All this power.
does. Is it fire? The fire. Nothing too much. It's a fire. Sunflower.
What you guys are living through is such a unique time in this country. I would say it's an awful time to be a college student. Like when I was a university student, I was a liberal.
What?
My best friend in the entire world was a conservative.
No, again, that's
like
this shit, bro. That's funny.
Like every weekend, we drive out to Massachusetts because I
All
was
I
from
know is I
Ireland,
can.
and I'd have dinners, and I would debate her dad, who was a conservative, and I'd say all the liberal things, and how could you not think that?
Oh, hell no.
Are
Are you
whatever it
serious?
was, and it was awful. There was no name calling. There was no you're this, you're that. So
What?
I just want you guys to be aware of that, knowing that the experience that you guys are having in classrooms has been radically transformed since the time that I went to school. So I graduated high school in 2007, not that long ago. I'm not exactly a dinosaur, but college campuses have completely shifted. The majors that you have were not available. I was shocked going through the catalog and seeing, wow, they're just making stuff up. They're having fun. I feel like they are having fun deciding what programs to allow students to just burn their cash on. I think it's an accurate way to say it. I mean, why else would you go to I'm not saying that.
You know what? I ain't saying shit.
Somebody might be interested in the subject. I'm just saying, realistically, have you paused and considered if you go to university for 4 years and you accrue debt? I'm assuming a lot of people here took out student loans. Like I took out student loans. When I was in school, it was about $35,000 a year out of state. So I'm just thinking, what kind of a person would be encouraged to go to university, to spend that kind of money, to potentially come out of university with 6 figures or close to 6 figures of debt like I had, and not really realize that there's not really a job that you can take with that sort of major. What is the job? What is the job? You say, I've studied, got all A's, amazing, I did so great, you know, I studied gender studies. What do you do with that degree? You go into the real world. Seriously. I'll ask you guys a question. When, by a show of hands, who has ever been in a situation where they've been like, I really need a gender studies major here to sort this out? No one. No one ever. It's a complete and utter scam. That's what you are actually actively being scammed. And you're not going to realize it until you get out into the real world and you find that actually the only job that's going to be available for somebody that takes up that sort of major is to go right back into the ecosystem. A professor. Right? A professor and teaching the same subject that earned judo money to other students. I actually think that people should be outraged by that. And by the way, people are outraged by that. That's what's happening. A lot of these students down the river, they find that they can't take a job and they can't find a job. They can't earn any money because they're not actually creating a meaningful job. They're not actually doing something that people need, right? And they learn very quickly what the free market suddenly means. Maybe the economics courses that they weren't taking, suddenly they recognize it when they get into the real world and they go, boom, now I have all this debt, I can't get a job, and I'm angry, and they're not quite sure who they should be angry at, right? And then they look at somebody like somebody that they went to high school with, who university, and that kid who was basically trained to believe that he was going to be a loser, because we all that's why I signed up for so many ridiculous student loans to go to university, go. If you don't know what you want to do, sign up and just go. You'll figure it out when you get there. You got your guidance counselor telling you that the entire society is sort of blaring to you that if you don't go to college, then you are a failure. And then there's that one kid that didn't listen to that, and maybe he went to trade school, right? And that kid has therefore no debt. He immediately started working. He fixed air conditioning. Now he's the person, and let me tell you something, if you live in a place like I live in Tennessee, you will pay any amount of money if your AC goes out. Millions in California are dealing with the dangers of extreme heat and rapidly fighting wildfires. 103 degrees in downtown Los Angeles. 112 in Burbank as climate change continues to yield record temperatures.
Get out of the road! Relax, dude. Yeah, the bus overheated or something. What did you just say?
I said, pick it up, dork. Hey, are you Dicky?
Yeah. Hello.
Yo, little Dicky, my brother thinks he sucks.
Okay, your brother probably sucks. Look at how you turned out. You're a rat. Your whole household is probably completely mismanaged.
Except my butt, little Dicky.
How about you take that perfectly round head and suck?
Oh hell no.
Estoy cogiendo vida, bye.
Ojo que lo tiré.
What up, world? It's your boy. Just one of the guys down here. Well, I need to be more specific. I'm a human. And just wanted to, for the sake of all of us earthlings out there, just wanted to say.
Like in the area.
Yes.
Yeah.
Zero kills, bro. That guy left us.
Just a freak horse, but come on, get on, yeah, giddy up, let's
Can you hear me? scale of this song going right into the earth. Let's raise some money for charity. Any words, Leo? This might be my favorite song ever. It's awesome. Wow. Thanks, Leo. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our Thank you so much. Honestly, everybody, scientists are saying that we have about 12 years to turn this environmental crisis around or we're screwed. What do you say? You guys want to save the world? Of course you do. Go to the website and remember to do it. Savings.
Are you talking about bowling?
No. Bundle. Jam. Bundle. Bundle and save with the personal price line. Might be a neighbor. Save more.
It's December 6, 2014. We're going to drive across LA and hit every wedding we possibly can. It's going to be awesome. And we're late. What's your door for you, Mr. Madden?
He'll show it just like you.
Oh baby, there you are, hey, sugar, just me.
Classic country music.
Nah, no country music, no nothing. We ain't trying to hear nothing.
Oh, that's good. Tara so kapia controller sa iyatin. Ne zaman günler aşık controller sa ya.
Sonny's out.
Damn it. Ai, foda tudo que é de coelho.
They've got a SAM turret online.